Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure Android Studio and the Android SDK match expected versions. Once done, close the IDE and back up your project so you can revert. Disable third-party plugins to isolate conflicts because plugins often break the editor. Now open the project in File Explorer and switch the IDE to Project View. Then open the layout XML in text mode. This prepares you to reinitialize the design rendering without wasting time on basic setup steps. Next, you resolve render and dependency issues by setting Compile SDK version to the target API and matching build tools version. Mismatches prevent the design editor from loading. Then run Gradle sync and perform a clean followed by a rebuild, because this refreshes generated resources and the layout renderer. If the layout preview still errors, invalidate caches and restart the IDE to clear stale state. Make sure to watch the build output for specific package or resource errors so you can address them directly. Finally, update Android Studio, the Android Gradle plugin, and any relevant plugins to compatible releases. Version skew often causes the editor to be unavailable. Once updated, open a layout and switch the preview API level, pick the correct app theme, and choose the right render target. This often fixes missing widgets. If the design editor still fails, consult IDEA. Log and the Gradle console for stack traces. As a key troubleshooting tip, create a minimal sample project to reproduce the issue that isolates project-specific problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.